Hindi ya mungururi ucio ni kurari na uregani munene kuri ni irabu cio maragiragia ahuri mbica hamwe na maabitha ne makuruta wira wao.
Guys, I'm kindly requesting you to shoot off the camera. Yes, this is what because cameras are not allowed even here. This is what we request. Yes, please. Okay. And what if they don't? Please, I'm kindly requesting. That's why I say I'm kindly requesting. Please, I'm not going against the law. This is what we requesting. Okay, what if? Akere hindi ya mungururi ucio murugamiriri munene wa Nema kaunti ya Nairobi Njoki Mukiri ni arataririe na kugona thengia gukorwo mahete mukana ene irabu icio no mathite na mbere na kwagarara watho.
Nema has continued to receive numerous complaints, and what we did is that we have tried to engage these facilities before, and they've failed to comply with the noise regulation, and that is why today we came to actually close them.
Ningĩ Njoki ni araugire na irabu icio ni mangathĩtie kaimana kũrũmĩrĩra watho wa kũnyihia inegene na matirĩ na wĩki na gũgĩkinyiria mũthenya wa gatano kiumia gĩkĩ ni magaikia ngono na kũmahingũrĩre thitango makorwo matatĩte watho.
Ideally, they are all located in areas that are considered residential, and they are required to comply with 30 to 35 decibels. And all of them, as we have seen, is that they have sound amplifying equipment, and none of them is soundproofed.
Ona thengia kuheo mukana ucio amwe a ene irabu icio ni mararegire gwikira thairi mendekithia ma watho makuhurana na inegene.
When we went to the B club, we want to believe that the people were there, but they took off. So we have left the order with the security officers.
Watho wa kuhurana na inegene warutitwo ni ruhonge rwa Nema na ni wahutagia ona inegene kuma makanitha-ini na ngari-ini cia gukua muingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.